Welcome to our Kitchentale. Ngayon po, tayo ay magluluto ng ginisang string beans. Here are the ingredients: a bunch of string beans cut into pieces, 5 pieces of garlic cloves minced, and a medium size of onion cut into strips, a half cup of small cuts of beef meat, then 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Umpisahan na po natin ang pagluluto. Gumamit lamang po ako ng mga 1 tablespoon of oil. Then, maglalagay na po tayo ng garlic habang umiinit na po yung pan natin. Pag medyo may aroma na po yung garlic, pwede na natin ilagay yung onion. Hayaan po muna natin maging translucent ang onion bago po natin ilagay ang meat. Hayaan po muna natin mag-simmer ang meat for about 1 to 2 minutes. Ngayon po, pwede na natin ilagay yung mga ricados. Katulad po ng salt, maybe a half a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of ground pepper. Then, lastly po, yung soy sauce. Then, let's pour a half cup of water and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes hanggang lumambot po yung karne. Kapag po malambot na yung karne, pwede na po natin ilagay ang string beans. To give you an info about string beans are low-calorie food, but also they provide many key nutrients. They are a good source of vitamin C, dietary fiber, folate, vitamin K, and silicone, which is needed for our healthy bones, skin, and hair. Hayaan lamang pong lumambot ang beans for about a minute or 2, and then pwede na. As you can see po, naglagay ako ng onion spring, but it's optional lamang po ito. Ngayon po, pwede na ang ating ginisang string beans. Here's our finished product, ang ating ginisang string beans. Thank you for watching. God bless. Jesus loves you.